How to find the values of trigonometric functions of angles in various quadrants. Find the values of the other 5 trigonometric functions in exercise 1 to 5. Question number 1. Cos x equal to minus 3 by 5 and x lies in the third quadrant. Here, these are the 6 trigonometric function values that we want to calculate for the angle x, which lies in the third quadrant, means the terminal side of x will go in the third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. And we should know this basic rule. If the angle terminal side is in the first quadrant, all trigonometric functional values will be positive, all positive. Second quadrant sine positive, third tan positive, fourth cos theta positive if value angle theta is in fourth quadrant. We are given x is in the third quadrant. So we need to think of only third quadrant, which says only tan function positive. If tan function is positive, its reciprocal cot will also be positive. So tan x positive, cot x positive. Rest all must be negative. Let's put those signs first of all. Prior to finding the values, let's assign the signs negative or positives. Now, the value that is given to us is cos x equal to minus 3 by 5. That we are just copying. Now, first of all, the reciprocal of cos x is sec x function. So we can straight away write minus 3 by 5 reciprocal is minus 5 by 3. So sec x value also is ready. For the remaining 4, we are going by trigonometric identities. That is one method, but there is a shortcut also. By shortcut method, we can proceed like this. As we have already decided, assigned positive or negative signs to all 6 of them, we need to get only the function value part, the numerical part. Taking a right triangle, comparing it with trigonometric ratios, though these are trigonometric functions, we are comparing with the trigonometric ratios, taking one of the angle as theta, the x angle, cos x according to the definition of trigonometric ratios, it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So take this 3 and 5 as adjacent side and hypotenuse. Then, using Pythagoras theorem, get the third side. 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, it is equal to 16, under root is 4. Third side is ready. So, sin x must be then opposite side by hypotenuse. So, 4 by 5. But realize, we had already assigned the by sign minus here. This triangle method, the shortcut will provide only the numerical value. The sign plus or minus we should assign using this concept, looking at the quadrant given to us. So, sin x is ready. Let's immediately write its reciprocal cos x, cosec x. Cosec x value is minus 5 by 4. And tan x, opposite side by adjacent side 4 by 3. Cot x 3 by 4, it's reciprocal. We are ready with all 6 values as we are asked to find. Now, this is shortcut. This is applicable only with the right triangles, but of course we clubbed positive and negative signs assigned looking at the quadrant, and then the right triangle helped us getting the numericals. But if you do it by identities, how will it look like? Let's see. We are given cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5, and these are the 3 identities we are familiar with. Let me go by one of them. Put the given values of value of cos x in the identity. The first one, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Cos x value minus 3 by 5, let me put here. So sin square x is equal to minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 1. Minus 3 by 5 whole square is 9 by 25, that is being subtracted here. Do the simplification, that gives me sin square x equal to 16 by 25, which eventually gives me sin x can be plus 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5. 2 possibilities. Square 16 by 25. Square root can be positive or negative. But only one of them should be correct. For that, we have to confirm what the sin x value should have been in the third quadrant. Sin x should have been negative. Only tan x function is supposed to be positive. So this positive 4 by 5 need to be rejected. Accept the value minus 4 by 5. That is why sin x is minus 4 by 5. Here it is minus 4 by 5. Now, going by the reciprocal, cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x. Hence, the cosec x value will be minus 5 by 4 reciprocal to sin x. Next is tan x function. Another identity, tan x is sin x by cos x. So we have minus 4 by 5 upon minus 3 by 5 gives us 4 by 3. Here it is. And the reciprocal of tan x is cot x. So 1 upon tan x, that is reciprocal of 4 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 4. Here it is. So we are ready with the trigonometric function values of all trigonometric function values of the given angle x, which is in the third quadrant. Here are few more questions for practice. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5 for practice.